Welcome to today's video. This video is about why we get tired after eating, that familiar wave of drowsiness that hits right after lunch or dinner. You know the feeling. You finish your meal, sit back, and suddenly, your eyelids feel heavier than ever. It's not just you, it's science. But what actually causes this sudden drop in energy? Why does eating something that should fuel us sometimes make us feel ready for a nap? Let's dive into the fascinating science behind why we get tired after eating. When you eat, your body switches gears to focus on digesting food. Imagine blood as delivery trucks carrying power around your body. After eating, these trucks head towards your stomach and intestines instead of your muscles and brain because they need fuel to process the food. Think of your body as a city. When one area uses more energy, others dim their lights a bit. That feeling of your brain slowing down after a meal, that's what we call post-meal fatigue. Another big player here is insulin. After you eat, especially a carb-heavy meal like pasta, bread, or sugary snacks, your blood sugar spikes. Your pancreas releases insulin to help move that sugar into your cells for energy. But insulin doesn't just handle sugar, it also affects specific amino acids in your bloodstream. Here's the interesting part. After a meal, insulin helps most amino acids enter your muscles, except for one called tryptophan, and it stays behind in your blood, and when it reaches your brain, it gets converted into serotonin and then into melatonin, the same hormone that helps you sleep. This is why there's a common belief that turkey causes sleepiness. However, it is not just turkey that contains tryptophan. Many foods have it, such as chicken, eggs, and even some plant-based options. So, in a way, your sandwich just told your brain, time to relax. That's why foods rich in carbs and tryptophan like turkey, rice, or pasta can make you feel extra sleepy. It's the biology of comfort food, but there's more going on than hormones and blood sugar. The parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest system, takes over after eating. Its job is to slow your heart rate, stimulate digestion, and help your body absorb nutrients efficiently. The trade-off: you feel calm, relaxed, and yes, a little drowsy. You can even feel the difference depending on what and how much you eat. A light salad with grilled chicken or a protein smoothie with some nuts can leave you feeling energized. On the other hand, a massive plate of pasta or a rich, fatty meal causes your digestive system to work harder, pulling in extra blood and resources. The more energy your body devotes to digestion, the less it has for staying alert. To maintain your energy throughout the day, consider incorporating these meal ideas: a quinoa bowl mixed with veggies and a sprinkle of seeds, a whole grain wrap with lean turkey and avocado, a yogurt parfait with fresh berries and nuts, or hummus paired with crunchy vegetables. For snacks, swap out the chips for raw almonds, apple slices with peanut butter, or cottage cheese paired with fresh fruit. Additionally, for busy viewers, grab-and-go options like trail mix, pre-cut veggies, or protein bars are convenient choices that help keep your body fueled without overloading your system. There's also your circadian rhythm to consider. Around midday, roughly between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m., your body naturally experiences a dip in alertness. Combine that with a big meal, and your brain is practically begging for a nap. This phenomenon, known as the post-lunch dip, is so universal that even animals experience it. However, it's essential to acknowledge that not everyone experiences this dip in the same way. Individual variations mean that some people may feel drowsier than others after a meal, depending on factors like their specific metabolism, diet, and lifestyle. If you notice unusual patterns in your energy levels, try experimenting with the timing and composition of your meals. Pay attention to which foods and meal times make you feel more alert or more tired, and adjust accordingly. Finding a routine that suits your unique body rhythm can make a significant difference. So, if you've ever wondered, why do I always feel sleepy after lunch? It's not your imagination. Your body is syncing with biology. Of course, not all tiredness after eating is bad. It's a natural signal that your body is digesting and storing nutrients. However, if you feel extreme fatigue after every meal, it might be worth looking at your diet. Meals heavy in refined carbs or sugars can cause sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar, a pattern that leaves you drained. Severe and persistent tiredness, especially when accompanied by specific warning signs such as fainting, chest pain, dizziness, confusion, shortness of breath, heart palpitations, or other unusual symptoms, warrants immediate medical attention. Trust your instincts. If your fatigue feels off or extraordinary, it's essential to take it seriously. Consulting a doctor can help rule out underlying health concerns. Remember, any persistent, unexplained fatigue should be discussed with a healthcare provider to ensure there are no underlying medical conditions affecting your energy levels. To avoid that food coma, try balancing your meals with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. These slow down digestion and keep your blood sugar steady. Also, stay hydrated, as dehydration can make fatigue worse. Taking a short walk after eating helps with digestion and keeps your energy up. Additionally, consider eating smaller portions throughout the day instead of larger meals. This can help your body manage energy levels better, making you feel less sluggish. Timing your meals to avoid eating too close to when you need to be most alert can also be beneficial. Besides what you eat, factors like sleep quality and stress levels also play a role in post-meal tiredness. Poor sleep can lead to increased levels of cortisol, a stress hormone which may amplify feelings of fatigue after eating. Similarly, high stress can drain your energy, making post-meal tiredness more pronounced. Ensuring you get adequate sleep and managing stress can contribute to feeling more refreshed after meals. Here are a couple of quick tips to improve sleep. Try establishing a consistent bedtime routine by winding down with a book or calming music at least 30 minutes before sleep. For stress management, practice deep breathing exercises for a few minutes each day, which can help lower adrenaline and promote relaxation. Let's quickly recap the most effective daily habits for maintaining energy. Balance your meals with essential nutrients like fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Stay consistently hydrated throughout the day. Incorporate short walks after meals to aid digestion and refresh your mind. Opt for smaller, frequent meals to manage your energy levels better. Adjust your meal timings to coincide with the times you need to be most alert. By integrating these habits into your daily routine, you can enjoy steadier energy levels and feel more refreshed throughout the day. Ultimately, feeling tired after eating isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign of balance. Your body is doing exactly what it's designed to do, shifting focus from external activity to internal nourishment. Every time you eat, your body goes to work, turning food into energy, repairing cells, and maintaining equilibrium. So next time you feel sleepy after a meal, don't rush to grab another coffee. Instead, take a moment to appreciate the quiet genius of your body's system, so millions of microscopic processes are humming in perfect coordination to keep you alive and thriving. Stay curious, because every feeling your body gives you has a reason behind it. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more fascinating science facts, hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see the full playlist, the link is in the description.